I'm so proud of myself this week because you know what? I think I vlog every day, even little bits and bobs I do. So give a shout out to me because I'm doing it. I'm trying. So back to school I go. Admit that I'm so rubbish at maths. So now I've got an appointment to do an assessment where they're gonna assess what level I am, and trust me, I know what level I am. The bottom. Hey. Say boo, boo, boo. Hey guys, this is your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Week should be a little bit busy for me. I've got loads of stuff planned to do, and I might take you along with me. So welcome back to my channel. As some of you comment and even text me personally that I should talk more, so I start to give a little bit of story time. So this is another story time, another gossip, because people like to hear people business, and all these things it's in my head. So now I'm gonna start talk. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you a time that this girl wanted to scam me, thief my money in Jamaica. So they believe that when you travel to abroad that you don't know the business. But I was born and grew in Jamaica. I migrated in my 20s. So I went to, they call it basic school. We call it nursery here. And I went to high school. So, you know, the girl is very clued up what's going on, and I know everything. I might be living in another country, but I know what's going on in my country. And I went to buy some things to take back home. But first, when I go in a supermarket, a shop, or anything, I always ask the price. I may can't know the coins, but God, trust me, I know the paper. I know the paper money. So when she told me the price, I just calculated in my head, what change should I get back? Anyway, the girl gave me the change, and it was short like 2,000 Jamaican dollars, and she walked away. She walked away, you know, and leave me at the counter, give me my receipt, give me the change she think I should get, and gonna leave me. So I stood at the counter and I wouldn't move. I'm standing there, you know. So the next cashier said, "Oh, excuse me, are you finished?" And I said, "Nah." She said, "What's the matter?" I said, "Oh, I didn't get back all my change." So she said, "Okay, give me the receipt and let me have a look." So I give her the receipt and the money that the girl gave me. She said, and then she started calling her co-worker, her friend. I can't remember her name. Say for instance her name was Mitzi. She said, "Oh, Mitzi." Oh, you didn't give her the chance. That time Mitzi gone. Mitzi gone way around at the back. Because Mitzi wanted to scam my money. If Mitzi wanted the lunch money, all she should have done is just ask. Don't take people's stuff. Anyway, the other girl gave me all my money, and then they didn't even apologize. I can't remember. She didn't even say sorry. She had pretend like it's a mistake. It's not no mistake. She know what she had done. She knew what she was doing. I just took my change, took what I bought, and just went away. Guess what? I'm not going back to that shop again. They're two thieves trying to scam my money. You know how hard people work for this money? Thief. Nobody know thief my money, you know. Please remember, always ask how much for the product first. Calculate it in your head. Don't matter about the coins. Just matter about the paper bill money. And that's my story. So I'm doing a facial. The product is Manuka honey, and it's a peel off mask, and it says it removes dead cells, and it's easy to peel off. So let's see if it do what it do. Hi guys, morning. So today is Wednesday. I was supposed it was supposed to be a busy week for me, but it's not that busy. It's busy. Oh, I need lighting. It's busy with appointments. I've got loads of appointments this week, but not like with work. I was supposed to go work Monday, but the place that they were sending me was a bit too far, so I didn't go Wednesday or Monday or Tuesday. And I didn't want to go Monday anyway because I had to drop my hubby to the airport because he's on his holiday. So I took mine. Now he's taking his now, and then I guess we combine together and then we go. But I'm here getting ready because I've got an appointment to do and to go to a college to do. Let me prep you up. To do an assessment. I'm going back to school to do my maths because my maths is rubbish. And I know a lot of you maths is rubbish too. Maths is not my strong point. I can admit that. I'm so rubbish at maths. So now I've got an appointment to do an assessment where they're gonna assess what level I am, and trust me, I know what level I am, the bottom. Hey, but I guess they want to prove it for themselves. So, but I'm in a dilemma. My appointment is for 1 o'clock, but I have to get time to go and find a place, and now it's about after 12. So I'm trying to get ready to make my way there. And I've got a delivery. My delivery said it should be delivered between 10 and 2. So now it's after 12 and they're not here. So I bet you I am so bad lucky that as I leave, they're gonna show up. And now I'm not going to get that delivery. And I'm looking so forward to it. Because that's one of my things that's on my vision board. And it's coming today. And I'm not going to get it. Oh God. Anyway. Back to my assessment. So I'm going to do my maths. And I am rubbish with maths. But my hubby is excellent. I'm not even gonna say good. I'm gonna give him his props. He's excellent with maths. But I don't want him to tutor me. No, sir. If he tutor me, we might end up getting divorced. Or one of we might end up in a prison. Cause me sure you not gonna have no patience for me. Cause God know my head is thick when it comes to maths. But I'm getting ready, and pray for me that I'm not in the bottom of the class, that I'm not that low. Oh my God. But I'm moving by faith. So off I go. See you later. I'm never glad to see my son in any time like now. While walking to go look for the place, my son is just going home. So I guess my delivery is sorted. Now time for this assessment. Well, I finished my assessment. It wasn't too bad. So I'm registered and now a college student. Oh, here we go. So these are my new books. I've got book folder and that's my registration. So school, here I come. So guys, I got my package because my son collected for me, so I'm gonna open it. I'm opening it at the same time with you guys, but when you see it, don't come for me. Let me hide my address. Let's see what's inside. And
40 miles south.
Oh, it's packed.
Are also getting ready for the big
Properly
day.
And ta-da!
Not only will they be competing
It's
with
my
sugar,
iPhone.
they'll also have a store.
So I got this iPhone to do vlogging to help me with my channel, but guess what? Don't come for me. Because this is an iPhone 11. I know they've got 14, 15, and on my what is it called again? On my vision board, I have the iPhone 14, but don't worry, someone has to start from 11. I'm not an iPhone person. I'm really a Samsung person. So let me start from the bottom before I move up. So this is my iPhone 11. So you know, sometimes I don't want to carry my camera about because, you know, people are so nosy. They're like, oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? And it's easier to vlog on a phone. So I see everyone's using an iPhone. So you know what? Let me follow the crowd. And I got this iPhone that I am gonna use. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. So I hope the camera quality is good. But guess what? It was good once for other people, because people used to vlog on it before. So if it's good once, it must good again. Yes, the latest ones are better, but you know what? It will do what it will do. So this is my... If you guys remember, this is my vision board. Let's pop it. So this is my vision board. I put it in my kitchen. So far I've got a new job, so that's thick. I travel once, but I said 4 times, 4 countries, but I did once. I got my 1,000 subscriber. Now I got my phone. I need to buy the lottery. These they're quite easy, but you know what? I do swimming, so it counts for the gym. I eat healthy, but not healthier. My family is very strong, more blessing and growth and stuff like that. So I believe it. You know, every year I'm gonna do a vision board, because you know what? I see that when I look at it, I can remember the vision that I want, and I'm gonna strive to it. And on this vision board should be going back to school, which I'm doing. So ta-da from me for 2024. That's my goal. Morning, guys. So today is another day. Today is Thursday, and I'm getting... It's early in the morning. I think it's about 8:30, and I'm getting ready to go to the dentist. I'm going to the dentist to get a checkup to look after my teeth, and then after I'm going to Costco, my monthly shopping. I'm trying to choose between these two hats. Let's see. Let's take out my hair first. It's another day. My hair is so I love it. I love the length. I love everything. It is so neat. And you see, I've got to do my edges all the time because I told the girl I don't want to lose my edges, so she shouldn't put them in the braid, which is good. But oh my god, they're a pain in the backside sometimes. But you know, at least I still have my edges. They're there. No, I think I need, let's see. Oh god, is it this one? How does this one look? Or should it be this one? Oh, I like this one best. Hold on, let me go get a hairband. I'll come back. I'm back, but my appointment is 9:20, and now it's like 8:30, and I'm walking, so I've got to move a little bit quicker, cause if not, I'm gonna be late, and if I'm late, I might miss my appointment. They might not let me in. But this one, which one match? Let's see. I like this one best. With the hair. Let's go. Let me show you the full outfit in the mirror. So this is my complete outfit. I've got a oversized jumper with the jeans, and it's got writing in the back, but I can't see. And I've got my trainers to match. So off I go. I might take you to Costco, so I'll see you. So I'm walking to my appointment. Oh, my face is so shiny. I'm walking to my appointment now. I've got about 20 minutes, and driving wasn't an option because there's no parking. When you live in this place, no parking anywhere else, you've got to pay. Plus, another option was the bus, and me not pay that fare for just a short little journey. So this gal is cheap as a penny. But I think I'll make it in time. Pray for me.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing